No, the update as of now, I think you asked already. CM has announced that we are putting the judicial inquiry. So now I think that will take its own course.
So any names decided?
No, not yet. As of now, we have not no particular name decided. So they will sit and decide on that.
What about the number of casualty and injured?
No, number of casualties, so as you already seen, is now still remain 30, and then eight are still injured in the hospitals.
Is the government willing to take the responsibility for this incident?
Responsibility hasn't.
Because it was the government's responsibility to ensure that there's no illegality taking place in anywhere in the state.
See, as we already mentioned again and time and again, no doubt from our end we are trying our best, and I think most of these media person also last time they have seen it themselves while I and our education minister went and take stock the situation which happened on the ground. We also were also so shocked because the place was so inside of the area. But no doubt, like from time to time, that we are trying our best. You also have seen that we have seized many vehicles, many coal and all from time and again. So we are trying our best, but as you have seen it yourself, that because the area was so difficult, so I think it's not so easy to say also.
There is a demand taking moral responsibility. Your view on that?
No, I think because it's too soon to comment on that because like we already said that we are taking full responsibility on this, and we are taking action on those who are involved. So I don't think that it is for CM to step down.
You have visited, and what recommendations you have given to the state government?
Recommendation like we have informed them of the ground situation, and then because at that particular time purely we went there to see that the rescue operation should go on smoothly. So we did that, and then at the same time also we have directed SP and DC to take action. Whoever responsibility, we should not leave anybody.
Well, suddenly they called off the rescue operations, recovery operations on 5th.
No.
On 9th.
No. Then that is after full consultation. Then they realized that because they have checked every thing of that area. They already checked that. It seems that from their end, from this NDRF and the SDRF, that it seems from their end they feel that I think there is no more bodies inside. So that's why they stopped it.